This pattern that we see in this bracket fungi of all the interconnected weaving is a holographic pattern of what's happening in our entire universe. So if you look at the sand, and I'll just lay this on the sand, you can see the pattern that has been left as the water goes back to sea. And it's the same dendritic pattern that's created in the sand that we see in the bracket fungi. And that same pattern is in the mycelium network of the forest floor. The same pattern is in the trees and in the leaves and in our nervous system. If you've ever seen pictures of nerve cell and the dendrites and where the neurotransmitters are released, that pattern is within all of us. And we're connected in a deep, mirroring way that is seen in the fascia in your body. So now we're going into the ocean to create a group experience. It'll be a container of people holding each other in love, care, and support. And during this holding, we're releasing tightness and stuckness in our acupuncture meridians and in our myofascial network down to the cellular level. So our fascia tightens when we're under stress, are injured, and that can be released